Hi guys, let me show you guys what items I purchased from buybuy Baby to complete my hospital bag. So for my own comfort, I am having two Kindred Bravery nursing bra in my bag and one of their pajamas, which is super soft and very comfortable. And also I purchased the Frida mom panties because I don't really feel secured with the one what the hospital provides, and also the Frida mom's cooling pad, which is really nice feeling when you're prepping your afterbirth diaper. I also packing few of these Dyper Diapers, so just in case if I need extra. I know the hospital provides diapers for the baby, but I'm just putting some of them in my hospital bag. I also focusing on breastfeeding, so I have some snacks and sweets for the breastfeeding journey. I have the Munchkin cookies. This is a Munchkin Milkmaker cookies. This is really delicious. I use them for previous pregnancies and works very good because hydration is very important after birth. I am using the Upspring Milkflow, and it supports the milk, the breast milk supply, because it has electrolytes in it. So, and this one is a berry flavor. This one is very delicious. I also have the Upspring Milkflow. It's gummies. It's just for fun when I just want to chew on something in a hospital. It's a nice snack and it still supports the breastfeeding journey. Also, I have from the Pinkstork Lactation sweets. It's like the hard candies. It's very nice hard candies. It's just a nice way to snack on things while you are hanging around in a hospital and trying to breastfeed your baby. I also have the Pinkstork labor recovery drops. This one is very nice. It's all herb drops. It helps with the labor, but I mostly want to use it for a recovery era in my life. It's a great support. And of course, because you need to prep your own diapers after birth, this Perineal spray from Earthmama is just a must-have. I love this brand, and I love how great it works. Also, I purchased Swaddles from buybuy Baby, and these ones are super cute. It's not too girly, but I love the pattern and I love how cute they are. So this is all the items I purchased from buybuy Baby and completed my hospital bag. So now we are ready to pop this baby out.